rebound. You can't hold on to who I used to be. I'm addicted to tequila shots and watching MTV, and I undress only after I am drenched in the shower, slowly sobering and waiting on my death. I miss the sound of you, alone abuse, and I fucked up when I punched that dude on your birthday in the snow. Your boyfriend got home early and he told me I should go. I'm frightened, so real, like a film, the flame unraveling, the fear that it's concealed. Call me drunk, ask me if I wanna hold you down. You only needed me on the rebound. Call me drunk, ask me if I wanna hold you down.